Welcome to the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop, woodworking with an Appalachian flair.
This is Jerill with the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop with another shop tip for you. When you go to face joint a board, and if the very end of the board is bent down, when you feed it in, it's going to hit the outfeed table. And a lot of times that's going to jam up, and then you've got to pull it back and start over. There is an easier, safer way of doing that. If you skew the board slightly, then when it goes across, it'll bridge the gap in the bed, and then it won't bind up on you. So let's see how it works. Remember, be proud of your Appalachian heritage.